Hello folks, hope you're well. We are doing Yellow Ledbetter, but a live version for Joe over at Patreon. He wanted the live 94 Orpheum Theater version, which is pretty cool. Nice solo in it as well, actually, and a lovely tone. So let's start there, shall we? I have got this bad boy. You want a Strat, obviously. You want to go for second position, though, not bridge. First click inwards, right? Which is these two, which is what Mike generally plays it on live. My clean tone is this, and I'm using the Funny Little Boxes treasure chest, and I've also got a teeny bit of delay and a teeny bit of reverb, but the meat and potatoes is phaser, and I'm using the new Jam Pedals retro vibe, which is awesome. But let's start off with the intro part, right? It goes like this. It doesn't actually start with a... It starts with... But we'll put in the low E at the beginning, right? Because it makes it easy to follow. So I'll do this one bar at a time, okay? 3, 4... Okay, I did 2 bars there. Never mind. So the first part goes, and then we hold our first finger here. So it's based around this. If you like the cage system, this is a G shape. That's part of the cage system, right? And the next parts around the E major shape, okay? For the most part, right? But again. And here, you slide down and then thumb comes over the top. And then... You know, you got that stuff going on. So again, so there it's just with a bit of arpeggiation. And you've got that. And as you slide down, you're going to hit the thumb on the 5th fret. Okay, and then this is cool. And then 1. Okay. You got that, but it's double stops. And then the verse comes in, right? So I've played through that a bit longer. I got carried away. Let me turn the effects off so you have. And then the next part is. And then you're into the next part, right? So stop there. This part. There you've got cool little bluesy licks, aren't they? So you do this run. Back down to the A. That's the next one. So No, you're just sticking with that and you're just moving your fingers around to get all these extra bits. So it's... You know, not much movement really with this hand, is there? But lots happening. And then the vocals are in and we play... Alright, again, round that slowly, we have... Here it's... Again, this one, you just aim for... This one, you go to the... I'm on the B string here, right? Next one goes, and then we have, it's kind of like a load of triplets going on here. So we have, so it's just the root, then you go to the 9th fret, some triplets, and then pretty straightforward. That's all. That's great, isn't it? And then that, right? There's a few more variations on a theme there, right? But essentially, those are the parts. Once you get that movement into your muscle memory, then you can do whatever you like there, right, and make it your own. And then we have the chorus. The chorus part's subtly different. You have something along these lines. So you go... You know, something along those lines. So the first part, again... That's the line. Just for double stops, right? Then we go. That same thing down. On the A there, and then. First part of the solo goes like this. So that is awesome. We have, I've gone into like neck position here. I don't know what he plays. But I've gone into that bit extra gain as well, probably for this bit. So full step bend and release. That's cool. So slowly. 3. I'd flatten my first finger there. So you can play that. 2, 3. So you've got. Some cool bends. And that one bends up fully. 2, 3. And then you're going to do your little finger. That's still held. and it's released, pulled off, and you play the 11th fret on the next string down. And then little run at the end there. Next bit goes like this. 2, 3, 4. You've got this 3, 4, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Next part is up here. You know, you've got a bunch of slidey stuff, but again it's it's all that good stuff, isn't it? And then you've got this sort of thing. Next part then goes. That's that third bar. Cool. Little bend on the 11th fret. 12th fret held there. And then you've got, it's just next part's just you got that second time. And then the third and fourth time is towards the outro part now is and then we've got this outro part, which is kind of 3 times round, but you'd have this. You know, that part. Oops, messed that up. And again. 2, 3. Similar to the intro, actually. That's cool. Down again. And then that's a nice run. I love the way it rolls into the next part. And then just a little run. Same as before really, and then and then 2. And then we're slowing down. That's cool. It's just that with the chords, and then and that is it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.